Hey guys, good morning. Guys, if you are able to see my screen, just type S in the chat box so that we can get started. Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So, fine. So, let's begin our things. So, today we are going to start live automation. Okay, live automation using Selenium Java. Okay, that's the thing. Just give me a second. Fine, great. So, guys, so how many are new to this training? Just type in the chat box, me or something. If you are, this is your first day of this session, like if you have not attended my earlier batches on live automation. If you are new, just type new in the chat box. I just want to know how many people. First day, that's great. Ankush, Anil Raju, Narendra Prasad. Okay, Sunil, four people so far. Anyone who is new to this training, just type me in the chat box or whatever you want in the chat box. Okay. All right. So we have few people new, and there are some, like if you are already part of the previous batches of this live automation, okay, then type old in the chat box. Type old in the chat box. I just want to know who is an old student of mine in this live automation. Old. Jay is an old. Okay. Sri Devi old. Then what about other people? TP. Yes, TP. I remember. Jay also I remember. Any other people? Okay. Yeah. Joel. Paluk Benga. Fine, great. That's great. That's Homesh. Yeah, I can now get a clear picture like who is new and who is old and yeah. What we are going to do? What we are going to do? Let me give a small you know, this is a getting started session today. We are going to start here. So let's not hurry up. We are going to do a lot of work in the coming days, but today let's be kind of peaceful and let's start in a peaceful manner, okay, without hurrying up. Let me launch Eclipse IDE. So guys, the people who are new to this, you are already aware of Selenium Java. Yes, the one Anil Raju, Ankush, Narendra Prasad, Sunil. Okay, Sunil is, yeah, Anil Raju is aware of Selenium Java. Okay. That's also fine, Narendra Prasad. Intermediate knowledge is also fine. Okay. Completely new is a problematic. Okay. So next, what about you, Ankush? What about you, Ankush? Okay, great. There's one more person, Ankush. I don't know whether. Okay, that's okay, Ankush. Okay. So, yeah, with basic understanding is fine still. But you already know the rules, right? Okay, let me revise, just bring you the rules again. The only one rule is here no training will be done. That you are already aware, right? No training. Here only live automation will be done. Okay, in our training program only, training of the Selenium Java, etc. will be done. Here is only for getting to know, like getting a feel of how to work on a real project. That's the main intention. I'm not going to teach the concepts. What is this command? What is that? What is Java? What is all this? I will not train you anything. Only that what I'm going to say is we are going to pick some test cases and automate them. Okay, we are going to pick some test cases and automate them. That's the main thing that we are going to do here. Okay, that is what is the theme of this live automation training batch. Sorry, live automation batch. In training batches, other batches we have, right? In that we generally do training of Selenium, Java, and other things what are that is required for software testers. But in this, yeah, yeah, Somesh is asking me, is there any additional content for old student? Yes, yes, Somesh, I am coming there. Don't worry. Okay, I'll explain what we are going to do differently. I'm going to explain that. It's going to be beneficial for both old and new. Okay. For both old and new students, it's going to be beneficial. What I'm going to do, I'm changing the process a bit. Okay. That's why it took some time. I gave a gap for the people who joined the live automation. A month of gap I have given them. So going ahead, the gaps, I don't want to have the gaps. So I have created a kind of scenario where, the new people and old people should be able to be okay with the sessions. Okay. Kind of stuff. So here, if you see, so these workspace where I have already, okay, for the batch, for the previous members, old members, right? Old students, already they have went through this. Okay. We have selected some four functionalities of an application. In that, we have selected some four functionalities of the application and we created a TestNG hybrid framework without Cucumber BDD first. Okay. And then we have created a Cucumber BDD project next. And if you clearly see what are the functionalities we have automated, if you want to see, we have worked on register account, login functionality, logout and search feature. These are the four. There were around good number of test cases, guys. There were around good number of test cases. So if you have to properly see what are the number of test cases we have covered during that process, let me show you. Instead of here, I'll go to the hybrid project. Two frameworks we have created. Okay, from scratch we have created the two frameworks, and at the same time live automation also we have done from scratch, and frameworks and how to optimize and also we have done from scratch. So here if you clearly see, if I go to the test here, login tests, in the login test how many test cases were there, let me show you. There were around 21 test cases in login we have automated as part of the old students. Okay, coming to the logout, how many test cases we have automated as part of logout? Total 9 test cases. Okay, here 21 and 9, that is total 30. Then we have automated around 27. 30 plus 27. How much? 57 test cases we have automated till here. 57 plus 57, 67, 77. Almost 80 test cases we have automated, right? Almost how many test cases we have automated as part of live project? Live automation for the old students. Tell me guys, how many? Total 80. 80 test cases have automated live for the old students. Now, what I'm going to do different here is we are going to pick four more four more functionalities now. Okay, freshly. We'll start this journey in a fresh manner, but the test cases will belong to the different functionalities. Okay, the test cases will belong to the different functionalities, guys. Clear, guys? What I'm going to do differently as part of this new batch or new students? What I'm going to do differently is clear for you. I'm going to pick four more or two more or whatever it may be. Okay, functionalities. So let's do that work right now. Since you already have seen that, register, login, logout, and search are done. So we need to pick four more. Okay, where we are going to start the work from scratch. Okay, automation wise, we are going to start from scratch. And for the people, there's for the new people, there is one more advantage also. Yes, correct, Ankush. We'll be creating the framework from scratch, everything from scratch. Don't worry. Okay, but functionalities will be different. And also at the same time, Ankush, you also will be having access to this live automation. Here you see hybrid related live automation batch videos are already there for the earlier four functionalities. Not only you can attend my sessions, whenever you are free, you can also go through the these recordings which belong to the four functionalities that already automation is done. Okay, this Cucumber BD also the recordings are there. Okay, you have this additional advantage. But I'll be starting everything from scratch. Okay, I'll be starting everything from scratch for the new functionalities. Okay, so our job now is to identify the new functionalities first. Okay, our job is now to identify the new functionalities first. Let me do one thing. Let me download this. You see here we have the in the given. I have given the access to this drive, right? This location in my drive, right? So here you have the recordings. You have this document also. Okay, you have this document also. Let me download this document for better view and all. Let me download this. Download as Microsoft Excel X file. Once it got downloaded here, once the file got downloaded here, Is that file got downloaded or not? Yeah, it's now got downloaded. Let me go to the location where it got downloaded. Let me launch this file. Let me launch this file, guys. Let me launch this Excel file. And this Excel file contains 500 plus test cases. How many test cases, guys, this Excel file contains? Whatever the Excel file I'm going to use contains how many test cases? There are around 500 plus test cases, guys. Okay, there are around 500 plus test cases. So in that, we already completed how many test cases? In that 500, how many were already completed? As part of the old students, how many are already completed? 80, guys. 80, not 57. It's 80. So 500 minus 80, how many still are there? Around 420, right? Around 420 test cases are still there, ready to be automated. Okay. So you see, for this new batch, or for the new students and at same time old students, both need to get benefited over a period of time, right? You see, automating all these 500 test cases will take hell lot of time. So I thought that this is not the way of running the batch. So I need to, start a new batch for functionality basis, okay, rather than entire project basis. I thought so that is so that a lot of people will get an opportunity to learn from scratch. Okay, so for that reason, guys, I'll be you know picking some functionalities here. Okay, so the next four that you can see is one is product compare is there, product display page is there, add to cart is there, wish list is there. Okay, add to cart, wish list. These are the four. Let's assume for now, product compare, product display page, add to cart, and wish list are the four functionalities we have right in our plate right now. Okay, so let's focus on these functionalities. Okay, we'll get started with these functionalities for this new batch. Okay, so but the project will be created from scratch. Automation scripts will be created from scratch. Okay, the framework will be built from scratch, but the functionalities will be different. Okay, and the project, these are the old projects. Now new projects will be created. Okay, so that you don't have to worry, guys. The new students don't have to worry that I'm not part of the old things and all. Don't have to worry, because whatever wherever I'm going to start, right, from there you can understand easily. Okay, no need to worry. Yeah, API testing. Yeah, sure. We'll think about that. Okay, I need to do some R&D on that. Okay, how to, because I already have trained the people, my students in the training batch, on API testing already. But finding a kind of resources where I can use it for training you guys on API testing, right? That is a challenge for me. So let me work on that. Okay, I'll work on that later. Okay, bye. Yeah, we'll do that. Don't worry. Okay, so I'll try to, because a lot of people are asking, right? I'll definitely take it. Fine. So, fine. Any questions, guys? Since this is the first session, right? We'll not take it too serious today, but let's have the discussions and all. Let me show you what exactly we are going to do in the days and all those stuff. And if you have any questions, keep asking me. Okay. Now is the time for you to ask me the questions, guys, and so that we'll understand. Okay, what I'm going to teach and what are the different additions I'm going to, for every new batch. I'm going to do something different for sure. Okay. I'm going to share you about vibe coding. Anyone heard about the vibe coding? Has anyone heard about the vibe coding in this group? No, right? So because of AI, these days you can also use vibe coding. If you're already good with Selenium Java automation, vibe coding is there. Okay, I think Shadan is aware of the vibe coding. Okay, fine, great. So all these concepts like what kind of AI tools we can use for generating the code, and how to speed up the process of automation. Okay, and these days how a person need to automate. Okay, these days how a person need to automate. I'm going to change the process this time. Okay, so for one functionality, we'll go in a traditional manner without using any AI tools and all. We'll go with a traditional manner. But second functionality, when we choose, right, we'll speed up the process. Got it? So that you'll get the experience of traditional without AI tools, how you have to work, and with AI tools, what is the difference? You can feel that. Okay, that's one concept I would like to include in this series. Okay, that's in this batch compared to the earlier batch. That will be the change. One more change. Yeah, and also we'll also see some tools. Okay, AI tools which are coming in the market and all those stuff. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, based on the situations. For every batch, I would like to give something useful. Okay, going ahead. So here onwards, either 2 to 4 functionalities we'll pick. 2 to 4 functionalities we will pick. For every 2 to 4 functionalities, a new batch will start. Again, from scratch, everything will start. Okay, so you don't have to worry. It is a lifetime. It is an ongoing process. I need to complete all the 500 test cases automation. So at the end, we may also club all the things into one project. Okay, and things will be repeated, or we may go to other projects or whatever it is. Okay, let's see. Let's make it more interesting this time. Okay, instead of being bored or something, right? Let's make it more interesting this time. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Any ideas, any suggestions, guys, from your end? Like this, how you are expecting the sessions to be or something? I would like to take your feedback or suggestions also, so that we can plan our sessions even more better way.
Yeah, thank you, Arun.
Yeah.
This is Venkata Suresh.
Yes, Suresh. Tell me.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you on this Hyderabad QA meetup.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I couldn't attend that because I stay in Bangalore. Okay.
Okay. No.
I have seen the photos. It's very glad
Okay.
to see you
Great. Great.
with Rahul sir and many more people. And I would like to add one
Mm,
suggestion ongoing these
mm,
lectures when we
mm,
are recording, right? So if
mm,
we can add any description like see previous videos we have, but somehow if I stuck anywhere, actually I
mm,
need to recall in which video it is mentioned. Like if we are using any screenshot compare, okay.
mm.
So if with the video, if you can add some description like which functionalities we have added in bullet points somehow, so we can easily understand. Okay, this video contains these points, so that I can go through this video. It is helpful. I think
Okay.
this is not covered in the last
Yes,
sessions.
last batch it's not there. Right. Right. You are right. Okay. So kind of a small summary of what went
Small summary. Right, right.
at the
So
end
that,
of the.
that is
Maybe
helpful for
what we
everyone.
can do, Venkat Suresh, in that case is like, we'll be going through that, and every time we end the sessions, right? Okay.
Mhm.
We'll take a time, okay, together
Okay.
as you and us, okay, me and you all guys, okay. So,
Yeah,
and
sure.
we'll collaboratively make some points, okay. That will
Yeah,
be
definitely.
that will be
Definitely.
that will be useful also for you later.
Correct, correct.
Okay, I'll remember. I'll try to remember this, and if I forget, also try to remind me, guys. Okay, if you are part of the sessions, right?
Yeah.
Just when because 1 or 2 or 3 sessions once I take, right, it will get habituated to me. That's okay. But
But
ultimately, if I forget, also,
anyhow,
uh,
actually, last sessions I couldn't able to attend because of a lot
okay.
of work. But nowadays I got some more time. I definitely
Mhm.
attend that.
Yeah, yeah,
Actually,
yeah.
you see, I am not available. I mean, I didn't join throughout all the section. That is my.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay, okay.
I can recover that.
Sure, sure,
Thank
sure. Anyhow, the recordings are there.
you. Yes, yes.
So if you have the time, you can go through them also. You see,
Correct.
meanwhile, even you don't need that, okay? But if you want to be, if you want to learn more actually, okay? So parallelly, you can do that also as an additional thing. Okay, that's up to you.
Sure.
Okay.
That's the only one point I would like to add.
Great,
Thank
good, good, good suggestion, Mr. Suresh. Like, we'll definitely do something, which will actually increase, the way we are doing the stuff. Okay.
you.
So that's all. That's a great suggestion. But we'll try our level best, and you also remind me if any situations comes, right? Then
Yeah.
we'll go with that. Okay. Until it gets habituated to me. Fine.
Sure, sure. Thanks.
Okay, so Ankush is asking me a question like, sir, for functionalities which I have completed already, if you go through the recordings and get some doubts, so we can ask your doubts in the class. I don't think that is required, Ankush. You can focus on the new class only, okay? New sessions only, because everything will start from scratch. That is only for, just getting some knowledge. That's it. Okay. So, maybe at the end of the session, you may ask, but the problem there is, we'll get deviated, but we'll see. Not a problem, Ankush. Okay, that will deviate us because some people will think that when these sessions are covered again, right? That's a problem I'm just foreseeing. Okay, but maybe in the group you can put your questions. Okay, maybe in the live automation group we have, right? There you can, instead of asking it here, you can put your questions there and we'll see there. Okay, how we can overcome that problems and all. Fine. Only the problem for me is that deviation will happen, okay? Because everyone is focusing on the new functionalities, and if you're asking the questions about old means, other people in the batch will get confused. Okay, what we have to do and all. Okay, this is already there, kind of stuff. Okay, So I need to keep on explaining them that, this is a new thing, this is new thing only again and again. Okay, that's the problem. Let's make it fresh, and once these four are completed, you can easily understand the old one also. You try your level best in understanding them by going through the recordings. But still, if you don't understand, don't worry. I'll will connect via WhatsApp group, and there we can resolve your problems. Okay, fine. Yeah, but everything will start from scratch. Most of the things will start from scratch. Don't no need to worry. Most of your questions will be answered in the new sessions only. Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? Does anyone have any other questions? Yes, you see, our team is like that. Okay, very good to know. Venkat Suresh is coming forward to help you, and other people also will come to help you. Okay, that's great. Okay, yeah, that's great, Suresh. Thanks for that. We'll start with the hybrid TestNG framework without Cucumber BDT. Then we'll migrate to Cucumber BDT. That is a general process. And this batch, if we can do more than that, we'll try to do that. Okay. When compared to the previous batch, we will try to go further forward. Okay. So we'll see how far we can go. Okay. That's the plan. But I'll be covering everything. We'll do a lot of R&Ds and all those stuff. Don't worry. Okay. Something you are going to learn differently in the second batch. Okay, this is second batch, you can say, as a part of live automation. This is second batch where definitely are going to learn something new. We are going to do something different. For every batch, we are going to do something different. So this is lifetime access. You already know, right? Whether you're part of this batch one or batch two or batch three, the coming batches also you can attend. Okay, you don't have to subscribe again. Okay, you are already a member of live automation group from for QFox. Okay, so you just can continue any number of batches in the coming days, and every batch we are going to make it some difference. Okay, some concepts which are not covered in the previous batch will be covered here like that. Okay, so be aware of that. It will be useful for the old students and new students also. Great, super. Yes, any other questions? Anyone? Any other questions? Yeah, thank you, Suresh. You see, we'll try to improvise the frameworks also if we get more ideas, right? When compared to the previous batch, right? Any other ideas we get or any other suggestions we'll get, we'll try to implement them. Okay. So we'll make it more better. Okay. Yes. Fine. So, so how many test cases we have here? Let's see for a while. Product compare functionality. If you see, there are around, 24 test cases. In product display page, we have around more test cases are there here. 24. If you can, almost around 60, you can say, combined to 61, basically. Then 70, and then wish list 80. Again, 80 test cases are coming here. Okay. Again, 80 test cases are coming. So around 90. Did I count it wrong? 24. Yes, 24 plus 7 is 31, 61. 61 plus 9. 61 plus 9. That is 70. 70 plus, okay, 20. Yeah, 70, right? 70 plus 20, 90. Okay, fine, that's okay. 90, correct. You are right. You are right. 90 test cases are there. Okay, so we'll see like whether we have to take three functionalities or four functionalities. We'll decide based on that. Not a problem. Okay. The next thing that I need to say here is what is the next thing that I wanted to say? Yeah. Mm, okay. Let me close this. So we'll do one thing. Just go here and I'll create a new folder here. I'll just name this as batch 2 for now. Okay, officially I'll name this as batch 2 for now. Inside this batch 2, I'll put all the recordings and all. Okay, today's recording where intro video is there now. Okay, I'll just write like this: introduction to batch 2. Okay, so what we have discussed today on batch 2 recording stuff and all, what we have committed and all, okay, will be there here. Okay. In this, I'll upload the recording. So after the session, you can find the recordings in this folder, batch 2 folder. Under that respective folder, you will see the recordings. Okay, fine. That's another thing that I need to take care of. Then what next? Hmm. Okay, the application. Let me show you the application. Okay, what is the application that we are using to get started? This is application, guys. Okay, this application will be using tutorialsninja.com/demo is the application. Okay, we'll be automating this application to get started. Fine. So in that we'll be automating the areas that I just now mentioned. Right, those are the areas. Compare product compare, and all those areas we are going to automate. Fine. Yeah. Then fine. So let me expand this. See, this one I need to delete, guys. Okay, this is not required. This is also experiment. Let it be there. Just while demonstrating some additional topics when I have to explain, I generally use experiment package and explain that. Pages, lot of pages we already have created, but again we have to create again for the new batch also. So common utilities, element utilities, MS Excel reader. Okay, and yeah, this is a demo only. So you can delete this otherwise. Base and listeners package and test package are there here. Resources are there here. Reports are there here. Extent reports we have seen, and how to take screenshots and comparisons and everything we have done. Fine. Pom.xml and TestNG, and I also have covered in the previous batch CI/CD, Jenkins, Git, GitHub. All those things I covered. Okay. So let's do something new in this new batch where I'll try to figure out okay what we can do extra. Okay. Fine. Any other things, guys? Anyone have any other points in their mind? Since this is the first session, any other one? Anyone have any other points? How the sessions are going to happen, right? What will the schedule and when it will start? You already know that. Saturday and Sunday, weekends. Weekends. At what time? At what time the sessions will start, guys? Tell me. Does everyone know what is the time where the sessions will start on these weekends? Yes. 11 a.m. IST it will start. Here also on Sunday, 11 a.m. IST it will start. How many sessions I may take on Saturday and Sunday? Is there any fixed count that I'll only take one or two sessions like that? Is there any fixed count? No, I'll be taking multiple sessions on Saturday, multiple sessions on Sunday. Okay, I'll be taking multiple sessions on Saturday and multiple sessions on Sunday. Okay, so here is the thing. On Saturday, 11 a.m. IST, the sessions will start. We may have up to 4 sessions. Okay, sometimes I may take 4 sessions. Each and every session will be of 1 hour. It is a live automation, right? No training. Just about, taking sessions. Okay, here also 4 sessions, max 4 sessions. These are max. It's not compulsory that I'll be taking 4 sessions. I'll try my level best to take 4 sessions on Saturday, 4 sessions on Sunday. Okay, so it's not compulsory that four I need to take. Maybe 3 to 4 or 2 to 4 or something like that. Okay, so like that, it is an ongoing thing, right? So it will happen like this. Okay, so every weekend we are going to spend this much amount of time, maximum 8 hours we are going to spend. Maybe minimum 4 hours to maximum 8 hours. Okay, is the thing we'll decide on the ongoing basis. We'll see that. That's the plan. Okay, clear, right? Everyone clear with this duration, timings, and all? Is everyone clear with this duration and timing? Clear. Great. Super. Okay. So 11 a.m. IST will start, and I'll take a session for 1 hour, 11 a.m. to 12. After that, I may give you 15 minutes break or something, or 15 minutes or 30 minutes, or if it is a lunch break, I may give you 1 hour also sometimes. Okay, depends on the type of breaks, and we'll keep going forward like that. Okay, we'll keep going forward on that until we complete 2 to 4 sessions on Saturday, 2 to 4 sessions on Sunday. That's the plan for now. Okay, so that will be serious, and we'll be working on something interesting and challenging on every weekend. Okay, that's the plan. Okay, yeah. Any other thing that I'm missing? Any other thing I am missing? I gave you all the information, right, to get started. So am I missing anything apart from this?
Arun, I would like to add one more point.
Yeah, sure, Suresh. Tell me.
It is helpful, I think. Can we have like this tutorials ninja website? If we have
Hmm.
another website, we can take the same functionalities and we can try at our level.
Maybe Suresh, you are right, but we are in that flow, right? We want to build a big project out of this. That deviation will happen. So what I'm thinking is that there's an ongoing things, right? So maybe in between or something, we can take some challenges and solve, but we cannot directly move to an entire new website. Okay, that's the problem.
No, that is for your explanation in the classes. This
Hmm.
website we will take. But for our sake of practice, I would like to have,
Practice.
yes,
Okay.
our practice, because
Hmm.
if we practice only, I think we will get the same thing, right?
Okay.
Watching the
Yeah, there
videos.
are a lot of websites actually. There are a lot of websites. Okay. Now maybe when you are practicing, right, I recommend you to practice upcoming test cases,
Okay,
which I have not covered. Okay. So still, if you are interested, right, you can do that.
okay,
So before the next session starts, you know which test cases will be automated, right? Before you join the sessions, you can with that whatever I have gave the knowledge and all, right? You can actually practice on upcoming test cases. That is a better way, right? Instead of you deviating to
that is
another website
also
for a while. Hmm.
that's good. Okay,
Yeah.
we will
So
take
that you
that.
will also get a feel like whether you're getting confidence or not. You will give it a try and attend the sessions if required. And in the
Correct.
sessions, anyhow, the any problems are there that will be resolved. And at the same time, you also can help me because even I am also taking this blindly, right? This test cases directly before you,
Okay,
without anything.
okay,
Okay, so there's a possibility that I may also get stuck and I need to troubleshoot a lot there. If you already have the solution, right, you can help us, right, during their
okay.
sessions. Okay, so at the time,
Sure.
it's not like that I'm the only trainer here, right? So yeah, everyone is there, so we can collaborate and do something great. Okay, that's also fine.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
thanks,
it's
Arun.
all up to you, like how you want to do it and all. Okay. So instead of taking a complete new website, right? This is the best thing I feel. What do you think?
Okay, that is also good idea.
Yeah, yeah. That's all. Or if you come across while doing this, if you are actually out of interest, if you went to another website and did some work there, for example, okay,
Mhm.
and you found something interesting, you can let me know. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Maybe we can also give a try there. Okay. So it's not like we will not be taking that. Okay. We can also include if that is really interesting and something new we are learning there means definitely we can give a try. Okay.
okay.
That's also fine. It's at the end of the day, what is required is the people who are attending the sessions, right? Our students should get the confidence levels increased that they can also work on a project in the real time. That's the main goal of this training, right? So if you are going any of the directions, right, that's all good. And I remember there used to be a group, okay? So I don't remember that is still there or not, but I'll just find it out. Uh, Live automation. Okay, I don't think so. Where I have that. Hmm, okay, I don't remember, guys. Okay, so there used to be groups, okay, some group one or group two kind of stuff. I'll find it out. There are a lot of website URLs are there. We'll import something from there. Okay, so we can
Okay, yeah.
also work on. But I'll see where exactly it is. I don't remember that for now. Whether it is a Telegram group or let's see. It's not the one project weekend batch. I think so. Earlier we used to have Telegram. We are not doing that right now
Oh,
because it is very confusing and a lot of management we have to do. So
yeah.
we, but these references are still there. Okay. You see, SAS demo is there. This one.
Yes, orange cherry is there.
Yeah, SAS demo is there, and So I'll do one thing. I'll just YouTube channel. Is there any way to share this? Or okay, it's administrative channel actually. Okay, so you'll not get it. Just give me a second. Okay, so fine, no problem. I'll make a. We can refer to this. I have the access, right? No need to worry. Okay, so there is a website like Internet Heroku app. Okay, so
Mm.
letcode.in/test is another website. Then we have something known as sourcedemo.com. Okay.
Okay.
The many websites are there. Many websites are there. Often, like if you feel that we can also have to do some R&D, just trial and error on other websites also to see whether we are confident enough in automating the stuff or not. We can actually go through them. Okay, not a
Okay,
problem.
sir. Okay, Arun, thanks.
Yeah, let's see how many other things are there here. Yes, this is the one. Okay, magento.softwaretestingboard.com, demoqa.com/textbox, then Catalan demo-cura.herokuapp.com, appsomeqa.com/UI. Many websites are there. Okay, so we can take this rahulshettyacademy.com/client.
Yes, yes, I have gone through all of these.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think you already have gone through them. Many.
Yes, yes, I have
Good, good.
knowledge.
Some assignments, you see, some assignments are
Mhm.
there here. Okay, so we can also do them.
Or I will do one thing. Whatever I know, I will make it one document and I
Yeah, sure,
will
sure.
share
That
it.
will be great, Suresh. That will be great if you can do it and share it with me, right? I'll share with everyone, or you can also directly share in the group.
Mm.
Also, not a problem. Okay.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, many things are there. So time is a matter. The problem is time is our enemy, right? So
Yeah.
though we have a lot of stuff, but what we can do is only what we can do, right? At the end of the day,
Correct,
we'll
correct.
try our level best. Something interesting or something will make it. Okay. So out of 4 sessions or something, we'll make something interesting. Okay. So
Mhm.
instead of having everything same or plain format, right? We can have a one session where we try different stuff. Okay, for our learnings.
And one more thing I would like to add. Actually, I told you previously, I didn't join the previous sessions
Yes,
more.
correct, correct.
In these sessions, did we completed some tables automation?
No, no, I think so. Tables related stuff have not come. Right. Yeah. So that will come when we go to view orders, kind of order history kind of stuff is there, na, in our application. Then it will come automatically. Naturally, it will come at some point of time. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm.
there are some test cases. Once we complete this round of 500 test case automation, right, most of the things will be covered. But that is an ongoing thing, right? You already know that is an ongoing thing.
Correct,
So,
correct.
but anyhow, we got one idea, right? So we'll try to implement that where, apart from this automating the 500 test cases, which will take a lot of time. So meanwhile, also we'll have one session where we'll be trying something different out of the box. Okay.
Sure, sure. That will
That will
be
be great, right? That will be great. So that you'll not get a kind of feeling that we are learning the same repeated things.
correct, correct.
Yeah.
Because
So that is
if
one
we
one
want to
great improvement we
attend,
can do as part of the second batch for sure.
okay, sure.
Yeah. Any
Thanks,
other
sir.
ideas? If they come to your table, just let us know. Okay. Or ping in the WhatsApp group or here during the live conversations, we can have some discussion. Okay. And then we can proceed with the plan so that everyone will get benefited out of it. Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? Guys, anyone have any other questions? Today it's all about, just breaking the ice and getting started and clearing the streamlining the plan and, going forward. That's the only thing. Okay. For today. So next weekend onwards, the sessions will happen seriously. Starting from 11 a.m. IST, we are going to have around maximum 4 sessions on Saturday, maximum 4 sessions on Sunday. And sessions will start from 11 a.m. IST and we'll have for every 1 hour, we are going to take a break. Okay. That's the plan. Okay. Great then. So any questions? Final call. Guys, anyone have any questions or anything to discuss here? Let me know. Very happy to discuss and decide. No? Great. If you are clear and everything is sorted, then just type C or good or whatever you want in the chat box so that I'll get a confirmation that we are all in the same direction. Yeah, great. Fine then. That's great. So thank you everyone. All clear, good to go. Great, Suresh. All clear, good. Priyanka is saying good. Yeah, everyone. Narendra, Sunil, Anil Raju, Jay, Venkat Suresh, Priyanka has given the approvals. So what about other people? All good? Yeah, Priyanka, Ankush, all clear. Okay then. Yeah, fine, TV. Great. So that's all, guys. That's all. Let's stop it here. I'll upload this recording at the same time. Anyhow, from the next weekend, the sessions will happen very seriously, and we'll put a lot of focus and we'll do a lot of other stuff so that you'll be learning for every session. Okay, the learning will increase for every session. So that's all from my end. Let's meet next weekend. I'll update you all this stuff in the WhatsApp group. Take care, guys. Bye. Akshay, in that group only you will get it. Okay. Today at 6 p.m. IST we have the training program. If you are also part of this training batch, right? I think Akshay, you are part of the training batch, right? So the link is already there in the description, Akshay, and you are part of that group, right? Training group, separate discussion group is there, na? Okay. That group you will get the link in the description of the. Okay. You can find the link in the description of that group. Okay. So you don't have to go anywhere and wait for the link. But the timing is 6 p.m. IST. Okay, I'll update you again. Anyhow, I'll mention that. Okay, don't worry. Clear now? Okay, welcome, Akshay. That's great. Fine then. See you all. Bye. Take care.